Vegan shrimp tacos tonight. These are the ingredients I'm going to be using: apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, celery salt, dill weed, heart of palm. They said a purple cabbage head, but my Amazon fresh delivery driver brought me, I think this is regular, it's not looking purple to me, so. Carrots, tomatoes, your yellow corn tortilla, cilantro, vegan dressing and spread by Hellman's, Cholula sauce, delicious, delicioso, I'm almost finished. Coconut sriracha, this one is not vegan, but I'm still gonna use it because it contains milk, but at least it's not a whole, chicken or something. Paprika, garlic powder, progressive breadcrumbs, Italian style. Let me see, is this even vegan? Contains milk and egg, okay, find one that's vegan. I'm vegan, but it's like I'm a new vegan, so I'm letting little stuff slide here and there. But pray for me. I'm a real vegan, but I'm gonna be like a vegan. Make sure it's this egg replacement. Ooh, I can't wait to see how we do this. Okay, cool. Okay, and now they said for the vegan chili, we're gonna whisk together 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, Bragg's. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup by Spring Tree, 1 tablespoon celery salt, 1 tablespoon dill weed, and half a tablespoon of black pepper. Now y'all, I'm new to the kitchen, so it's not Maui fault or anything like that. It's me, I'm spoiled. So if y'all see me doing anything wrong, y'all can laugh, repost, or whatever. That's good because I'm trying to go viral. But also, each one teach one. Can y'all please tell me the correct way of doing it as well? Like I'm also learning, I want to, as Maui would say, those that know me, my mom's name is Maui. She'll be like, you don't even know how to hold a spoon like a woman. So apparently I don't even know how to hold a spoon like a woman. Like, 1 tablespoon. That. I'm not gonna rinse it. I'm just gonna keep doing it because they all being mixed together. So 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Put my stove on because I want to have some fries while I'm making this. I don't know how long this is gonna take me. 1 tablespoon of celery salt. Shoot, dang, that's a lot. A lot of salt, if you ask me. 1 tablespoon of dill weed. Ooh, I'm about to sneeze or something. Mix it all together. They said mix it and set it aside. I just used the same spoon, but I probably should not use that. Comment below, what should I have done? Rinse out what I used. Each one teach one. How you supposed to do this, sisters? You call me your sis, but teach me how to cook. Period. Period. I need to learn this stuff. Period. I want to know how to hold a spoon like a woman. Like my mother said. It's only me eating it, so I put the spoon. That's Oh, that's getting thorough because some of us are actually, you know, literally beginners. Like, why didn't you tell me, oh yeah, you have to cut up the ingredients? I mean, I know at some point you was going to tell me, but I'd like for you to tell me. Like, when you do the ingredients, do like prep work. Okay, ingredient list, prep work, and then start doing step by step, mix this. Like, why didn't you tell me to, you know? So the second step is to put the cabbage, the carrots, the cilantro in a bowl, and then if need, also the vegan mayonnaise as well. Oh, I forgot to check for the amount of this. I'm gonna check. But yeah, so that lets me know it needs to be cut. So let's see here. I don't really know how to cut cabbage. I'm gonna just cut it small. Comment below how I'm supposed to cut this for real. Usually I'll look and Google how to do it, but I just wanted to get this video out. And also I just wanted to eat. It's already 9 p.m. Okay, a cut. At this point I'm like, a cut gonna be a cut. It's gonna be chopped. Period. Ugh, okay. At this point, a cut gonna be a cut. Yeah, I'm just gonna eat my fries. This take a long time to cook. I don't know. Just cutting it up short. I don't know. I cut a half of a cabbage because this said it's made. This serving size of this recipe is to feed 17. I'm feeding 1, so I want to make enough just to make 3 tacos for myself this evening. So. I'm cooking enough for 17 apparently. Wait, no, they didn't say cut it in half, so. But they said 2 carrots, and I got the 2 carrots. I should do 1 carrot then. I'm gonna put 1 carrot back. But this half of the cabbage should be good for 3 tacos tonight. Put 1 of these carrots back. This one. The whole thing for 17 is 2 carrots. So. And I did like half the bag of cilantro. Okay, so I'm gonna take that end off. Right. Am I supposed to change knives? Clean the knife off? They all clean. I washed them all. What am I supposed to do? Comment below. Was that womanly to do? To just go to the next vegetable? I figure they're all clean, right? I don't know. Somebody comment and tell me what I'm supposed to do. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I usually just cut both ends off of the carrot and then cut. Is that what I'm supposed to do? Is that what y'all do? What do y'all do? Comment below. Ooh. Combine the cilantro, the carrots, and the cabbage all together. Then I added a 3/4 cup of the vegan dressing spread, and it tastes delicious by itself. It tastes better than the vegan mayonnaise that I've had, and this tastes like an actual mayonnaise. I Okay, so now I'm gonna prepare the heart of palm. It said to cut it in quarters diagonal. It said to cut it. Why can't I say diagonally? Diagonal. It's not niggle. Oh my god, diagonal. Diagonally. Diagonally. Just forget about it. Diagonal. Is it not niggle? I really need to see it. I can't see it. Okay, so I cut it into quarters. Some of them ripped like shredded. Let's see what the next step is. Diagonal. I did go to school, y'all. I was graduate. But I'm human and I can't think of how to say diagonally. Diagonal. Okay, so they said in another container, mix together sriracha, sweet chili, and then the mayo. Thing about it is I have chili powder. Maybe that's the same. 1 tablespoon of each. Well, I don't know if it's each. Okay, so they said on the plate I should do half a cup of all-purpose flour. It said half a tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of paprika. Okay, so the next portion of the ingredients said to make egg replacer in a bowl. Spread out your panko mix.
Well, you let it sit for 1 minute to thicken.
Now I'm going to toss in the heart of palm. And with, I'm going to put the heart of palm in the flour mix I made, and the fake eggs, and then in the panko, and then put in the end right. These are the parts. Let me start with these. Okay, this is the second batch of the egg batter that I made. It's a little bit lighter. And I'm just rolling it around. Throwing it in the air fryer. Pretty simple. I need to clean up my stove, excuse me, but this is basically the corn of it. I mean, this is basically the shrimp of the meal. It is said this is the bang bang sauce I made vegan. It's the coleslaw I made vegan, and then I'm gonna warm those up. 4 more minutes. I'm done. This is the vegan coleslaw I made. This is the bang bang sauce, whatever they call it. And this is how my shrimp, this is fake shrimp tacos. This is vegan tacos. So this is how my shrimp came out. It's the heart of palm dipped in the flour mix I made, dipped in the replacement egg, and then dipped in the breadcrumb Italian style. And it tastes so delicious. See the crunch. Yeah. Very good. I'm gonna try another one, and I want to show you how I break it apart. If I were to break this apart, like, see, that's the inside. Very good money for an ASMR. Okay, so let me go ahead and close this up and place this on camera for you guys for my first reaction. Very good. Put a lot of that coleslaw in there, so it's very wet and dripping everywhere, but other than that, it's extremely tasty. I might make the rest of them tonight. Now that I'm tasting it a little bit more, yeah, I put way too much of this in there. It was overwhelming. Let me try it again. I think it's the dill weed seasoning that makes it like that coleslaw flavor. I could use a little bit less of that. I don't really like regular I don't even like regular coleslaw, so. But I'm tasting it very strong with that dill weed. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this now. This, I can see myself making this again and it actually being good. I think I put, I used like half of the actual vegetables that I was supposed to use, but when it came to like ingredient wise, I used the full amount. So maybe that's why there's that overpowerment taste of that dill weed flavoring, which essentially on its own, it tastes so good. Like I can make that and eat as a salad. It was so good to me. But like now eating it together as the meal, I'm a little overwhelmed. But the shrimp definitely came out amazing. So what I learned from that, I need to get the spray oil, because as you see, like they came out still kind of powdery. They're not all like golden. So I feel like that can be changed by me having that spray oil. But other than that, the flavoring of everything is definitely giving shrimp taco, and whew, this came out pretty good. I got a meal. So I'm gonna focus on making this a few more times so I can master it and maybe come back and show you guys like a part 2, you know, revamp. If there's anything that I did as I was cooking that you saw was not like womanly, or you know, just a better way to do it. Because like I said, I'm pretty new to the the office. Pretty new to the kitchen area. Me turning vegan a year ago helped me to like come in the kitchen more, like I make my own vegetables and stuff. Because when you're vegan, it's like you have to cut a lot of stuff. And there's a lot of stuff in restaurants that you can't eat. So you literally are forced to try to learn how to make things for yourself. And that's what made this journey so fun for me, because it's like, I'm gonna try and make vegan oxtails, and then I look up all these recipes and I try to make it, and it's fun. And it's like how tonight was, it's like, oh, I see what didn't work, I see what I did wrong there, and I'm just learning my way in the kitchen. And I'm really excited as to what's to come when it comes. Like the more I do something, the more I'm gonna be like, oh, let me add this. Oh, I'm gonna get like a flavoring for it, and that's how I think people learn how to cook. So this has been a great experience. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Leave comments below. Again, how you suggest I move about the kitchen. What I did wrong in, you know, for preparation, and also give me other video ideas. Alrighty, good night.